Imagine building a faceless YouTube channel that earns over $10,000 a month, all without showing your face, hiring expensive teams, or even leaving your couch. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just possible, it's happening right now. And the best part? You don't need a single dollar for fancy cameras or pricey editing software. AI tools are doing 90% of the work. But here's the twist. Most people are doing it wrong, and that's where you can win. Stick with me, because in this video, I'll show you the exact blueprint to go viral from day one and monetize in less than 30 days. Plus, I'll reveal a secret monetization hack at the end that 99% of creators miss. If you've been paying attention, faceless YouTube channels are blowing up faster than AI-generated memes. Think of it as the 2025 version of dropshipping in 2021, but without the angry customers and shipping delays. What? Now you might be wondering, what's fueling this explosion? Simple. YouTube rewards engaging content, and faceless channels are nailing it with story-based videos that hook audiences. Take this channel Real Life Memoirs, for example. This channel produces long-form faceless YouTube videos using AI-generated story animations. This channel launched just a few months ago, and it already has over 45,000 subscribers, 5 million views, and an estimated $50,000 in ad revenue. And in this video, I will reveal to you the exact blueprint that you can use to launch viral faceless YouTube channels like these in just minutes using nothing but free AI tools. Plus, I will reveal to you a hack in the end that can help you monetize from day one. So stick till the end.
Good thing I brought my vape.
Step 1. The foundation. Nailing the script. First things first, every great YouTube video starts with a killer script. Think of it as your secret weapon for going viral. Now, you could spend hours writing, or you could let AI handle it. Tools like ChatGPT and DubDub are perfect for whipping up engaging scripts in minutes. Want to save even more time? Here's a sneaky trick. Model what's already working for your competitors and create from it. In order to do that, just go to the channel you want to model, go to the Videos tab, click on Popular, and you will get the most popular videos there. Just copy the link of the video and go to DubDub. You can find the link to open a free account in my bio. Once you've created the account, you will see a list of features there. Click on AI transcription and just paste the link of the YouTube video. It will automatically transcribe the entire video. Now, if you look to the right, you will see this option called Rewrite. DubDub will rewrite the entire script for us, making sure your content is original and doesn't face a copyright strike while still keeping the key elements and virality of the original script. Copy this script in a Google Doc and read through it to make any changes if necessary. Usually it's pretty good and doesn't make mistakes, but it doesn't hurt to double check. Writing this by yourself would have taken you at least 2 to 3 days, and even if you outsourced it, it would have taken quite an amount of time. But with AI, you are able to generate this in minutes, and that too for free.
Nice.
Step 2. Creating a voiceover that doesn't sound like a robot. Next up, the voiceover. If you're comfortable recording your own, go for it. But let's be real, not all of us have voices like Morgan Freeman. Thankfully, tools like 11 Labs have advanced text-to-speech features that sound shockingly human. And hey, if you're feeling fancy, you can even customize the voice to match your video's vibe. Just don't set it to monotone lecturer unless you want people to fall asleep. All you need to do is create a free account in 11 Labs from the link below. Here you can choose your desired voice from a variety of voices available in the voice library. I personally recommend setting the filters to English language, American accent, and set the category to professional. The voices you will get from these filters are top-notch, and I promise you won't be able to make out whether the voice is AI or a real person. Once you find the desired voice, add the voice to the My Voices library. You need to then go to the text-to-speech option to use this voice. Now, in order to generate the voiceovers, I don't recommend pasting the entire script all together, as 11 Labs won't be able to handle such a big text properly. Instead, split up the text into 500 words each and separately generate voiceovers and download the files to be compiled later. This will not only make it easier for you to generate the voices and edit them later, but will also improve the quality of output considerably.
Alright, I'm actually getting a little excited now.
Step 3. Bringing your video to life with visuals. Here's where the magic happens. Visuals. For this, think about AI-generated images of your characters in action. Use tools like Leonardo AI to create realistic visuals. Pro tip: use consistent styling for all your images so your videos feel polished. In order to do this, just copy the script and paste it in ChatGPT and prompt it to extract all the characters involved in the story, along with detailed prompts to generate images of them in Leonardo AI. Open a free account in Leonardo AI from the link given in the description below. You then copy the prompts and paste the same in Leonardo AI to generate the required images of the characters. Go to Leonardo AI, click on Image Creation, and paste the prompts individually to get stunning images of your characters. You can also use Canva Dream Labs or Bing Image Creator as a more affordable alternative to generate the images.
Cool!
Step 4. Editing your masterpiece. Once you have all your images and voiceovers ready, import all the assets into an editing software and then sync them up. Now, editing doesn't have to feel like rocket science. Free tools like CapCut for Mac and Clipchamp for Windows make it super easy. Add transitions and effects to keep your audience hooked. And if you want to sprinkle in a little humor, throw in a surprise image, a quirky text overlay, or maybe even a small GIF or a meme. For example, if your video takes an unexpected twist, flash a plot twist GIF. Oh, and don't forget to add dramatic touches. Zoom in on a character's face during a tense moment. Add subtle movements to keep the visuals dynamic. Trust me, nobody wants to stare at a static image for 20 minutes. Once you have your video ready, export it in the highest resolution possible and upload it on YouTube with the desired title, thumbnail, description, and tags.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Now it's time for the juicy part, monetization. Here's the deal. YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to monetize. If you're starting from scratch, this can take months. But I did some research and found out a secret way in which you can get monetized from day one. Here's the shortcut. There's this website I found where you can buy pre-monetized YouTube accounts with high-quality Western audiences. These are real people following the channels from Western countries with high RPM and not bots. This means you'll start earning ad revenue from day one. It's like skipping to the front of the line at Disneyland. Click on the link in the description and use code AIPFL05 to get an additional 5% discount and start getting monetized today.
That's a great idea!
But wait, that's not all of it. Ad revenue is great, but it's not the only way to make money. Even though this channel is doing really great, they are missing out on a lot of revenue because of not doing this one thing. Here's the real hack: affiliate marketing. Add links in your video description to products or services relevant to your audience. For example, if you're running a faceless YouTube channel on fitness, then you can put affiliate links to gym equipment or supplements. One click, one purchase, and you earn a commission. An even better way is to put affiliate links of software you use to actually create such videos, as they will be giving you recurring commissions, compounding your income exponentially over time. So, there you have it, the exact steps to build a six-figure faceless YouTube channel. From AI-generated scripts to stunning visuals and secret monetization hacks, everything is laid out for you. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today and let the YouTube algorithm work its magic. Your first viral hit might just be one upload away. And let me know what topics you would want me to make more videos on, and I will see you in the next video. Oh yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any upload.